Leonardo, I recall that during the time when President Duterte called all the alleged scalawags in the Philippine National Police, hindi ba nagpatawag siya ng isang meeting sa Malacanang? Sa Malacanang ba yun? Colonel Leonardo?
Para saan? Yeah, oh yes. Oh, the right word is the merong secretariat. Yung kumbaga parang it is what do you call that? A central command wherein there is a secretariat na doon tatawag for the reward money. Have you heard about the word secretariat na centralized?
May naririnig lang po ako, Mr. Chair, pero ganun din po, wala po akong personal knowledge.
Okay, dito po sa affidavit ni Miss Rohina Garma, binabanggit niya dito yung sa second affidavit, a certain personality. Ang name po niya is Sunny Buenaventura, who have given her a reward money for a certain debt in the amount of 20,000. Meron ka rin bang nabalita tungkol dito sa kay Sunny Buenaventura about giving this reward money?
Wala po akong, hindi po ako na-assign kasi ng local. Hindi ko po masiguro yan, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, I think I don't know if we have invited already this person, no, si Sunny Buenaventura, but meron na tayong show cause order kay Sunny Buenaventura. And there is also a certain Sergeant Suwan who gave also 20,000 to Miss Rohina Garma for certain accomplishment. Also, a payment was given also. Have we invited also? Yes, madam.
Mr. Chair, namatay na po yan. He was shot sometime parang 2021 po.
So namatay na si Sergeant Suwan.
Opo.
How about si Boy Alce?
Namatay na rin po, illness po, cancer.
Okay. But si Muking ay boy pa. Si Muking we have already invited also, no? And cited motion for show cause order ata. Show cause order na tayo. Okay. Miss Garma, siguro si Miss Garma naman, tanongin ko. Kasi dito sa affidavit mo, may nakalagay dito na your first appointment sa Davao Police Office, 1999 pa. Excuse me. January 1999, you were appointed as Chief of Women's Desk sa Davao Police Office. Is this correct?
That was my second assignment with Davao City Police Office, Mr. Chair.
What was your first assignment?
1997, August, HRDD, and then by October of 1997, team leader of the anti-vice.
Yes, it was here. So, nung after your graduation, nung 1997 August, na-assign ka sa Davao City sa administration of Mayor
Mr. Chair.
Rodrigo Roa Duterte. At noong 1997 October, appointed ka naman as team leader of the anti-vice unit.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At noong January 1999, hindi na si Digong ang presidente. Ang mayor.
I think, yes, Mr.
Si Ben de Guzman
Yes,
ang
Mr.
mayor.
Chair. Yes.
So in other words, naandun ka na sa Davao for so many years.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At doon mo nabalitaan yung tinatawag na Davao Death Squad because you were there since 1997, 1998, 1999. And when you were assigned sa SASA as Commander of Santa Ana Police Station from 2012 to 2016, that is 4 years. 4 na taon ka sa SASA.
Almost 4 years, Mr. Chair. It's just 3 years and 6 months, I think.
So, in other words, matagal ka na rin talaga sa Davao na na-assign sa different positions.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At dito mo sinasabi sa iyong affidavit, yung mga nasaksihan mo na mga pagpatay sa iba't ibang klase ng mga tao implicated in different crimes with certain amount given after the job was done.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, at Mr. Chairman, andito po lahat yun. It's, nagnakaw, akyat bahay, yung mga binabanggit po dito sa affidavit ni Ms. Garma. And amount of 20,000 was given by those personalities that you have mentioned here. And there was also in your affidavit about the 5,000 that are being given every month para sa reimbursement naman na
Yes.
binibigay ni Yusek Muking.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, basically, Mr. Chairman, this is the pattern that was done in the Davao City during the time of the then Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte. And, ito yung nakikita natin na nangyayari sa buong bansa. And we need these personalities, Muking and si Pedro Parungo, to be here in the next hearing, Mr. Chairman. So, for the meantime, Mr. Chairman, yun po muna at maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Congressman Dan Fernandez. Just a short question lang para kay Colonel Leonardo. Colonel Leonardo, I recall that during the time when President Duterte called all the alleged scalawags in the Philippine National Police, hindi ba nagpatawag siya ng isang meeting sa Malacanang? Sa Malacanang ba yun? Colonel Leonardo?
Sorry, Mr. Chair.
Yan, mabigat yan. Wawa naman kumakain muna. Si Garma muna, tanongin mo para.
Sige.
Mr. Chair, repeat
Hindi po
yung
ba
question.
nung naging presidente ang ating dating Pangulo, in one occasion, he was seen on TV na nagagalit sa mga pulis na allegedly ay involved sa recycling of drugs. Ito yung mga ninja cops na binabanggit mo kanina. Tama po ba yan? Na nagpatawag siya ng meeting?
I believe mga scalawag sa rogues cup po yun, mga...
So yung mga rogue members
rogue member
ng
of-
PNP, pinatawag ni former President Duterte sa Malacanang. Tama, no?
napanood ko lang po, Mr. Chair, pero wala po akong personal.
So wala ka doon.
Wala po ako, Mr. Chair.
During that time, where were you assigned?
CIDG 11 lang po ako, Mr.
So CIDG 11 ka na.